everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
So in today's video, I have a collective Aliexpress haul. I actually haven't shopped on Aliexpress in about a month now, so I normally actually shop there pretty frequently, but I'm trying to save my money. Okay, I'm trying to save my money, so most of the stuff was purchased back in November, December, kind of around the time where I was buying my Christmas gifts. And so I ended up buying some Christmas gifts for myself as well, and I'm finally showing you guys what I got. So if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into the haul. So this is the stuff I got, and then I got a couple more things over there. The first thing that I got was a toque or a beanie if you guys are from the US. It looks like this. It's really, really nice and soft. Oh my goodness. It is so thick and it feels so warm. And I was kind of caught between getting this one or the deeper green. It's almost like a seafoam-ish type green, where this is like a mint green. But I ended up getting the mint green. I got this for my mom as well, and she really likes it. Her logo though actually came off, which is annoying, so I have to be really careful of this. I don't know if you can even stick it back on or anything, but this is what it looks like, and it's definitely giving me winter vibes. I should probably wear this when I go out later today. I'm going to the gym, so maybe not, but it is a really cute hat, and I kind of like figured I'd wear this hiking or something like that. Next thing I got was a makeup bag, and I could not resist it. I thought it was so cute. This has been on my wish list for quite a while, and it keeps selling out, and then they bring it back and then it sells out again. So it came in this dust bag, and I finally was able to catch it when it wasn't sold out. So it looks like this. It is the Alice in Wonderland baby oyster character, and I just think it's so adorable. They have keychains with her on it as well, and I think that those would be even cute as like a charm to attach to this. But the makeup bag is really amazing quality. The inside's actually silk, so I was kind of thrown back by the price of this one. There's even a little pocket in here as well. I think $15, which is a little bit crazy. I think it was like $9 plus $6 shipping, something like that. And I was like, that better be really good quality, because this is an expensive makeup bag. It's actually also bigger than I thought it would be, which is nice. It is still a small, compact makeup bag, but I think it will hold a lot of stuff. And then the back is just plain canvas, but it's still really good quality. So you are getting what you pay for with this makeup bag. You're getting, you know, really good quality, and it comes in a dust bag. So love that. Next thing that I picked up was some AirPods cases. You know that I can't shop on AliExpress without getting AirPods cases. I really want to change up the one that's on my AirPods right now. I might do that later today. But I got this one. It is a McFlurry. I'll take it out of the packaging because I think it's easier to show you. They all come with these key holders, but I never use them. I don't think that they're the best quality, but they all come with that. And I thought this one was really cute. It is a strawberry McFlurry. Actually did pretty well, and I only got 2 AirPods cases this time around. And the next one is McDonald's hash brown. McDonald's actually has my favorite hash browns literally ever, because if I go to Tim Hortons, I'm not really a huge fan of their hash browns. McDonald's hash browns are the bomb. So it does also come with this key ring as well. Like I said, all of them come with that. And then the AirPods case looks like, I'm trying to like hold it together so it doesn't look weird, but it looks like that. How realistic does this look? It actually does look like a hash brown. So I think that this one is adorable. It's really cute. I probably won't use this next because I don't know why I keep getting light color and like white AirPods cases, because they do get dirty and you can't actually clean them. I've tried getting like pen off of one, or like, I don't know. I've tried wiping them down and stuff like that, but it's really hard to clean this type of, I think it's like silicone or something. Next up, I got a phone case. and I've been wanting to use this, but it doesn't completely fit my phone. Okay, I'll show you my phone right now. I have this like really boring Amazon case on it, and I don't like it because it's already changed color. So I've been wanting to change my case, but I have this on the camera. It's like a camera cover, and this case does not fit over this camera cover. I need a camera cover on my camera because obviously I don't want my camera to get scratched, right? So I don't know if I can find just a film camera case, you know, something that is thin and it's just kind of just like the film like I have on my Huawei camera. But this is the beautiful phone case. It actually has my name on it. Really, really nice. So this phone case is also kind of weird because this inside part comes off. So this glitter part actually comes off. It's like 2 layered. So you can have it on so you can have it with or without the glitter. But I like it with the glitter. I think that without the glitter it's kind of boring. But I think that this phone case is absolutely adorable. You can customize it. You can get your name on it. It doesn't have to say Layla. Literally, you can put your name on it. You can pick the font. You can pick the font color. Whatever you want. I picked purple, of course, because purple is my favorite color. But yeah, that's what happened with this one. I can't put it on my phone because I do need something to be covering my camera. It does fit, but it's kind of like half on, half off. It's not like the greatest fit with my camera cover on. So that's unfortunate, but I will try to find another camera cover at some point. Next up, I picked out these earrings right here. So I will take this out of the packaging for you because it's really hard to show you. But they're basically the Weeknd inspired earrings, you know, his EXO record company and his EXO album and stuff like that. It's inspired by that. I have an EXO sweater actually. I love the Weeknd. I've never been to any of his concerts or anything like that, but I love his music, and you know, I thought these earrings were really cute. Even if you're not a Weeknd fan, I think you'll still appreciate these because they are cute. Next thing I picked up was this pack of zippers. I think that this was only maybe $1.50, not more than $2 for this, and it's literally a huge pack of zippers. And what I like about these is I have a couple zip hoodies and the zipper has come off because I've had them for like 10 years plus, and they're still good hoodies. They're still wearable, they're still warm and stuff like that. It's just the zipper does not work. So I ended up getting these because they just seemed like an amazing invention, like such a good idea. So they look like this, just like a zipper pull, and you can basically clasp it onto whatever zipper you have that's broken. You can just basically hook this onto that little tab thing. I'm like trying to explain it with words, but it's hard. Okay, you know that little pull on your zipper? So if the zipper pull actually comes off, there is still like an attachment on your zipper, and you can basically, didn't know what to do with those hoodies, to be honest. I was like, do I just donate them? Like, what do I do? Because I'm not obviously gonna fix them. So I'm glad I found this solution, and I can just attach this to my hoodies and they'll have their zippers. So it came in a huge pack, which is completely unnecessary. I don't need this many. I think it was a great purchase. So that's that. Also, the zipper came off on my luggage, so I can attach one of those to my luggage as well. And next up, I got an ice cream car air freshener thing. It's very, very cute. As you guys know, I really like ice cream. Ice cream's my favorite dessert. I could literally eat it every day. So this one comes with a peach flavor air freshener in a packet like this. And then you basically stick it in the back over here and then stick this on your vent. Let's see if I can properly put this together. Oh yeah, that's so easy. Okay, so you just stick this in the vent in your car, and this is what the ice cream looks like. Very, very cute. They had a chocolate flavored one as well, but I picked the pink one, of course. Next up, I picked up 2 pairs of shoelaces. I think I've shown you guys shoelaces before that I picked up on AliExpress, and they're just super cheap, okay? These are only maybe like $1 each, and you can get so many different colors. Whatever color you're looking for, you can get. I wanted a light pink pair, but I wanted it to be more of like a warmer pink. This is like a cool tone bubblegum Barbie pink. I wanted it to be more warm toned, almost like a salmon pink, because of these shoes that I got from DHgate, and they're beautiful, but I want like a pink lace on them, and they didn't come with pink laces. So I tried, and you know, this is not the type of pink I was looking for, but these were only $1, so I can definitely use those on other shoes. It's fine. And I got this minty green pair because I have a pair of Nikes that I lost the laces on that are mint green and lavender, so I thought that these would look really good on those shoes. Next up, I got a ring, and I'm pretty sure, no, I haven't shown this on Patreon. I thought I would have already, but it is a beautiful ring. It looks like this. I'm not gonna say what it says. You guys can read that yourself, but this was only a few dollars. I think this was maybe $5 or something like that on Ali. It didn't come with any of the packaging or anything like that. You can get this on DH for maybe, you know, like $25, $30, but it comes with all of the packaging. However, this one didn't, but that's fine. I've always wanted one of these rings, and I think it was a great price. So it actually fits better on my middle finger. I don't think that there was a size for this ring though. I just realized that this is adjustable. I was like, I'm not the same ring size as everyone else because it's adjustable. That is so cool. So the side over here actually opens up, and you can make it bigger or smaller, which is nice. I love that. Next, couple things. I got a bracelet, and this is so cool. I got one for my friend also. So it's a very cute little dainty gold bracelet right here. I have shown these on my Patreon before, so if you are interested, my Patreon is down below. There's a free trial going on right now, but basically I did pick up earrings, and I picked up the bracelet, and I don't know if I ended up getting a necklace at all. I'll have to check my purchase history and stuff like that, but this bracelet is the cutest thing ever. I love it, and it also comes with this, like the branding on the bottom part of the charm. Very, very nice. I love that bracelet. And then last but not least, I picked up a plushie because I saw this and I thought it was so cute. I'm gonna name it Toasty. It is a toast, a smiling toast. They have really, really cute plushies on AliExpress. They have a lot of Jellycat inspired plushies and that sort of thing. I have an egg that I got last year that I think is really cute as well. So I had to pick this up. He wasn't that expensive, and yeah, that's that. So that is all for my AliExpress haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'm sure in the next few months you guys are going to be getting another AliExpress haul because I just cannot stop myself. I absolutely love AliExpress. So that is all for this one. I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.